My first attempt of making Siena's favourite, chicken feet. First we're going to blanch the chicken feet in some cold water and then bring it up to heat. And then add the onions, carrots, honey, ginger, bit of soy sauce, bit of salt. Going to be about 2-3 minutes. Drain and save the aromatics that you've put into the braising water that we can add to the sauce later. Pat dry as much moisture as possible so when it fries it doesn't splatter. The next stage, the frying stage. Oil. This is how you know if your oil is ready for food to fry. There you go. Wooden spoon, bubbly, 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 ready to rock and roll. Frying the chicken feet time. Lid on. Splattery, splattery, splattery. Lid on. Almost done. Getting there, golden brown. That's when you know they're done. Or when the oil gets a little bit less volatile, which means basically it's not bubbling as much. We're almost there. Ice bath. For when the chicken feet are fried, they go straight into the ice bath to stop the cooking process. And then we move on to the next stage. Chicken feet out of the oil, golden brown, straight into the ice cold water. There we go. Lovely jubbly. We're going to leave that in there for about 10 minutes. Final cooking stage. So we're going to throw back in the carrots, ginger, cooked onions, bit extra ginger, and the sauce that I whacked up. And then we're going to put that in the pan, fry it up. Put the chicken feet back in, bit of water and simmer it for about half an hour, 40 minutes. Now we drain before the final stage. Gas on and on. We're going to use some of the oil that we used before. Oil, a little bit of oil. Now we add the sauce into the aromatics. In go the chicken feet. Good mix. Then we're going to cover with water. Good mix. Cover with water, and then we're going to simmer it down for about half an hour, 40 minutes. Cover the chicken feet with water, and then we simmer for 30-40 minutes. Chicken feet have been simmering for 35 minutes, 5 minutes to go, and then we will be done. We've got a nice reduction of the sauce now. Chicken feet done. Nice, the sauce is reduced, lovely. Nice thick sauce now. The chicken feet are coated, beautiful. It's a beautiful chicken foots. Nice and sticky and gelatin. Beautiful. Chicken feet time. Lovely jubbly. Nice, soft and supple off the bone. Nom, 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 nom.